On to gains for a fifth straight day, while corn and soybeans eke out some upward buying momentum following fresh export sales to Mexico. Michelle Rook has more in Markets Now.
Grains in mixed on Tuesday, row crops higher, wheat lower. Kevin Duling with KD Investors joining us. So let's talk about that wheat market, some new two-year lows in the Kansas City wheat. It was a tough down day on Tuesday, Kevin. Was it all technical selling or was there a fundamental reason?
I think there's some trade rumors with it that Russia was contemplating removing their export duty altogether. I think that's part of it. You've still got kind of a log jam of wheat backed up against the Russian ports, despite record low farmer holdings or upcountry holdings. So it's really bizarre trying to figure out exactly what's going on in the Black Sea. They've still got the $270 floor price, and yet our markets continue to move well below that. So it's a tough market, and technically it looks weak, and so the hedge funds are got their massive short and they're protecting it, and I'm not sure what's going to reverse it. So
winter wheat rating also came in well above a year ago at 47%, good to excellent. Do you think that was a little bit of a psychological blow too?
I'm sure it was. Yeah, we're going to start this year off much better. Last year was pretty much a train wreck for that region the whole way through, with strong soft red conditions, but this year is looking different with much better hard red winter country.
Are we down at a price, do you think, on wheat where we are stimulating demand?
We certainly are. We've had fantastic sales in the export report the last 4 weeks. I think to reach the pace, we've got to be between 170 and 190,000 tons a week, and we're running I think our four-week average is between 4 and 430,000. So we're certainly well above that pace.
And corn and beans did end higher. Was that mostly corrective buying, or was there something else going on?
Honestly, I think those markets are in a holding pattern until the South American weather shows its cards a little more. If the pattern we've been seeing for the last 2 months continues, then those markets are gonna go higher by a lot. If they don't, if the pattern changes, I think the market could fall off pretty briskly. So it's early, but those forecasts are concerning to me. So
thanks for joining us. That is Kevin Duling with KD Investors, and we'll have more AgDay coming up.
For a free 2-month sample of Kevin's market analysis, or if you have a question of any kind, call 541-980-4554 or email kdinvestors@gmail.com.